In this video, I'm going to show you how to calibrate scale in PlanSwift. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the Home tab up top, and from here you can see there's a bunch of things, and you want to click on Scale over here. Now, if you click on where it says Scale, kind of this arrow down here, it's going to give you a bunch of presets, but if none of these are actually what you need here, in my case, none of these will actually suit me, I can go and click on Scale up here. I can set the scale either in metric, auto, FIS, or standard, and I'm going to go for standard over here, and I'm actually going to put in this scale here. So I'm going to do 30 feet and then actually 0 inches over here, and I'm going to just click OK without actually clicking the apply scale to all pages because I don't actually need that. So I'm going to click OK, and then you have to first click the first point of dimension for scaling. So for example, I'm going to go over here, there we go, and then I'm going to kind of drag this out. It should automatically be a straight line if you just don't do anything, just basically go pretty much straight, and it's going to be a straight line, and then click whenever you're at the end over here, roughly over here, and there we go. It's basically going to set your scale, and now this is 30 feet 0 inches. Okay, and whenever I now go and try to set a new scale, I can go ahead and do that again. So that's basically how to calibrate your scale. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.